Hey, P, man.
What?
Remember that shit last year was talking about that bloody murder shit?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you kick some more of that shit, man?
Alright. Jumped out the Chevy, mugging at some sucker punks. King flashed the gauge, them hoes they want no funk. So they smashed off hella quick. Right. And while them hoes was leaving, me and Sonya C was plotting some gangster shit. So put this knot up in your bra strap. And when we get inside this liquor store, keep your eyes up on them chaps. I'm getting chronic, gotta should I say fucked up. Count my cash, it's 1G, then it's 3 of us. I see my face on the news and it's time to chill, but I can't cause I got too many fucking bills. Grab my Glock, it only had 3 bullets trick, but if I run out I ain't tripping, I'll choke a bitch. Walk in the corner liquor store with my 44. Played it cool, brought a snapper, man, fuck them hoes. He opened the rest, I try to do his ass. Break yourself. I ain't trippin' cause the beat wasn't wearing a mask. Blew out some chronic, show no remorse. Told them hoes get their ass on the biggity floor. Snatched the cash and my pistol still smoking. Left them hoes like the Raiders left Oakland. A motherfucking 211. We needed cash, we robbed the liquor store. A motherfucking 211. We needed cash, we robbed the liquor store. Kelly G had the chronic without no zigzags. Hold on, partner, I'ma go get some fucking zags. Now I'm off to the liquor store. And just in case it be some funk, I'ma bring my 44. Now you know the P don't take no shit, but this era started following me like I was gonna steal some shit. He was strapped, so I had to think quick. Put my 44 to the head of this bitch. Drop your pistol or she's dead, man. Slowly put your hands up in the air, let's play a little fucking game. Simon said, open the register up. This bitch looked it good, so I told her to suck my 44. He got jealous, tried to jump, I hit him with the pump. Put my cash in my pockets, the Donald Trump. And I'm off to the freeway real fast. Goddamn, forgot Cali 6 a motherfucking 211. We needed cash, we robbed the liquor store.